Good morning. It is well below freezing, and today I am going to see something I have never seen before, and that is a frozen waterfall. I am at the Mount Teneriffe trailhead, and I'm going to head up to Teneriffe Falls. I have seen the waterfall before, but because we've had below freezing temperatures for quite a few days, it means the falls has frozen. I'm going to be climbing 1,600 feet up to see this waterfall, and the weather is gorgeous, but it is well below freezing. It is like the teens right now, so I am going to get going up this trail to stay warm. But frozen waterfall mission, let's go. I cannot emphasize enough how cold it is. It is in the teens, which has made beautiful powdery snow, but it is very cold. I'm warm, but oh yeah, we just had a crazy cold spell come over basically all of Washington. Everything froze. Everything got so cold, but I mean, it just makes this beautiful winter wonderland. But yeah, you got to be bundled up. Keeps you motivated to keep a fast pace, that's for sure. So I just did the easy 2 miles through the forest and did about 600 feet again, and I just made the turnoff onto the final ascent up to the falls. And this is the part where the trail gets fun. And once again, by fun I mean steep. This climbs about 1,000 feet up to the falls, but this also does mean I am within a half a mile of this waterfall. And gosh, this weather is perfect. I'm in this beautiful, very cold winter wonderland, and the views have started to open up. But yeah, I get to see a frozen waterfall. I am so excited. This is gonna be so cool. I've wanted to see a frozen waterfall for a long time. Just gotta climb a little bit more. I give you Teneriffe Falls frozen. This is one of the coolest things I've ever seen in my life. Look at that. It's completely frozen. Coming down. Look at all these ice formations. Well, I have this waterfall all to myself, so I am going to spend some time here, take lots of pictures, and enjoy this. This is, oh wow, I'm just gonna stare at this for like an hour. Amazing. Well, I've just been having an amazing time here enjoying this waterfall. This is just captivating to watch, and I just hope the camera is coming out with how blue the ice looks and all the details. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting to see a frozen waterfall for a very long time, and this is so much cooler than I ever could have imagined it being in person. Makes hiking in the freezing cold worth it. You get to see a waterfall like this. Important safety consideration, going underneath the falls is pretty risky when it's warming up because ice can fall. So I ran across real fast to go to the other side and then ran back. And even that probably was not the most advised, but yeah, gotta be extra careful around ice and stuff like that, especially when it's warming up like this. But amazing, absolutely amazing. Makes you really appreciate winter. I spent an hour just watching that waterfall, and I got very cold again, so I have to get moving, but get to enjoy the sun, this beautiful forest on the way back down, and some of those peekaboo views. So it should be a really beautiful descent. It's gonna be a quick descent too, because I am going to kind of hustle to get the blood pumping again. I made it back, and that was definitely one of the coolest winter hikes I have ever had. Teneriffe Falls frozen. Oh my gosh. I've said it before about Teneriffe Falls, that this is a waterfall that looks way cooler in person, and that's just magnified when it's frozen. Oh my goodness. You can do this hike anytime, really, but if you want to get the waterfall frozen, there does have to be a pretty hard freeze for a couple of days for it to get frozen like that. But it is so worth it to get the timing right and stuff. Oh my gosh, just the ice formations and how blue it got is just beautiful. And I really hope the footage captured some of that. I really hope it did it justice. Anyway, it was very cold today, but so worth it. What an amazing start to January. And the snow is probably going to be sticking around in the mountains, so I get to go play around in the snow more, and I'm very excited for that. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and here are my favorite pictures from the trail today. Enjoy.